Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I am here with my Bose active noise reduction headphones, and today we're going to be replacing the ear cushions on those headphones. Now the reason we're replacing the cushions is they're really worn, and in fact they're pulling apart, as you can see there on the left hand side. So the first thing we do is remove the old cushion, and we're just going to do one at a time. So we simply grab hold of the cushion firmly and then pull it off. As you can see there, we've got the cushion off. The next thing we do is to pull the foam screen mat from the ear cup, and we simply peel it out. As you can see, the adhesive strips come off quite easily. Now you could choose to also remove that old adhesive from the cup, but I'm going to leave that in there. So with that inner foam screen mat removed, we're now going to install the new right hand side inner foam mat. So we remove the adhesive backing, and then we carefully install the new mat. And then it's a matter of installing the new ear pad cushion. What you'll find is there are 9 protrusions to catch that in, and we simply have to carefully place that under and push it in. Make sure it clicks into them. There you go, so we've got that right hand one in now. Took a little bit of jiggling to get all of them clicked into position. So now we'll move on to the left side. So we just pull that off. That, to me, is the scariest thing when you're pulling that off for the first time. And we will take the foam mat out. So we've got our new foam mat. You might think, why are we replacing the foam mat? Well, to be honest, these headphones are 5 or 6 years old, so they're on your head. Let's get them replaced with clean ones. Get those adhesive strips off. And get that installed. And just like the other one, we will work our way around and get all of the clips installed. So there you go, just like that, we have got our Bose headphones refurbished. So these cushions that I've installed actually are an aftermarket kit. They were only a few dollars off of Amazon for the kit, as opposed to the genuine Bose kit for $30 or $40. The look and feel to me is as good as the originals, if not better. So certainly worth the effort and the little bit of time today to install them. So if you've liked this video, do feel free to like, share and subscribe. And until next time, have a good evening.